Setup for a home burglar alarm system. Taking you through the setup, we have here the group members Krishnal Kumar, Nikhil Singh, Navneet Sharma and Akash Chand. The left, here is the front panel of the burglar alarm system. This consists of 5 push buttons which include 0 and 1 for the pin input, enter for activation and deactivation, change pin for allocation of changing of pin, and the cancel push button to allow the user to re-enter the password if there was an error entering the password in the first instance.
As you can see, the house is protected with 4 sensors: sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3 and sensor 4.
Alarm, we first enter the code, that is the password, which is 1010. Now the password can be anything of your choice, so you press enter. Alright, so you can see that the on off LED lights up, and this means that the alarm is now activated. When sensor 1, that means zone 1 is intruded, like this, the zone 1 LED will blink along with the buzzer. Now the same happens with zone 2. When sensor 2 is pressed, the zone 2 LED also blinks. The same scenario happens here as well. When sensor 3 is pressed, zone 3 LED also blinks. And you can see zone 4, when zone 4 sensor is pressed, zone 4 LED starts blinking as well. Now we go into the deactivation part. As in the video before, I have said that we have entered 1010 as the code. So I pressed 1010 and I press enter, and all the alarm deactivates. We go into the change pin scenario. When this change pin button is pressed, the password which I have stored here earlier will be reset. Now the password that we had stored earlier was 1010. So I need to change my password. I press change pin. Now you can see the new pin LED is on, indicating that we need to enter the new pin. So I enter the new pin as 1111, and then I press
This
enter.
means that we have successfully changed the password for the burglar alarm system, and the system is now activated with our new pin. Now let's see whether our new password actually works. Let's say that there is an intrusion in zone 1.
Wait.
Let's try deactivating the system to see if the pin works. The alarm is successfully deactivated, which means our change pin works.